Welcome to week 1 of Interpreting Scripture. This video is intended to help you through the first lesson and explain the assignments to you so that you will do very well and get off to a really good start. First of all, the lesson is entitled Why Interpret? And the focus is to introduce you to the concepts in interpreting Scripture. There's 4 parts to this assignment. First of all, there is textbook reading. There are 2 textbooks for this course, and you should be able to acquire both of them and read the assigned chapters. In GGW, it's Chapter 2, and in ET, it's Chapter 1. And I recommend that you read these 2 chapters in their entirety before you attempt any other part of the assignment. The second part is a video that you need to watch, and that is linked to a YouTube address in the syllabus, and so you can click on that and access the video. After you have read the textbooks and watched the video, then it would be time to consider the discussion board post. The discussion board this week deals with interpreting cultural trends, and there is a very detailed list of instructions on what I want you to post for your initial post. There's 4 parts to it, and I would appreciate it if you could follow that outline as closely as possible. And also note that in your discussion board post, if you do cite the textbooks or the references, it's very good to put a works cited notation at the end of your discussion board post. If you do this, you will get the maximum number of points because that is a full and complete documentation of the ideas that you have used from the course material. The post needs to be made no later than midnight Friday. And this is going to be true for every week there is a discussion board question. Make sure that your initial post is always by Friday. Now remember, the week starts on Tuesday, so you've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all day Friday to read the materials, watch the videos, collect your thoughts, and formulate your initial posting for the discussion board. And then the remaining 3 days of the week, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, you are to respond to the initial posts of 2 of your classmates. You're, of course, welcome to respond to as many as you wish, but 2 minimum is the requirement to get full credit for the discussion board assignment. The discussion board is designed to generate interaction between the students. The only time I will actually post anything on the discussion board is if I need to clarify something or if something needs to be corrected. If I give additional assignments on the discussion board, like some professors do, all that does is add to your workload. And this course has a pretty good workload as it is, and so I'm going to do my best not to add to that. The final part of your assignment is a writing assignment, and you can be working on this all week. It is due on Monday night at midnight. And so the title is Understanding Interpretation, and the description of the assignment is in the syllabus. I encourage you to download a copy of the syllabus and have it handy, and that will help you to know exactly what is expected in this writing assignment. Now, the assignment instructions actually pretty much write the paper for you. I've given you a 3-point outline, and if you follow that outline exactly as I have stated it, then you will do a very good job on the paper, and it will follow the format that I am expecting to see. And again, every paper should have a works cited page. This is probably the area where most students lose points, is failure to give credit to the textbook material and the video material that is used in your paper. So please make sure that at the end the works cited is listed. Now, the works cited page does not count as part of the page requirement as stated in the syllabus, so also make sure of that. Finally, just as a few housekeeping matters, make sure you take the date of attendance test. This is simply so that we can verify your presence in the course and give you credit for it. This is very important that you get this done by Thursday at the latest, and I encourage you to do it right now, in fact. And then also make sure that you read all of the announcements that I have posted. They're designed to help you get through this course with the minimum amount of difficulty. So it's great to see you. Looking forward to this first assignment and the first discussion board. Week 1 is always a little tough, but just hang in there. Do a great job. And if you follow the instructions I've listed, you'll do just fine. Lord bless you. Have a great week. Goodbye.